Hello again. The weather today across England and Wales is going to be pretty wet. We've already got some heavy rain and it's going to continue as we go through the course of the day. We've got a potent area of low pressure which has come in from the southwest and it's bringing all this rain wrapped in bands around it. And as you can see from the squeeze in the isobars, tells you it's also going to be rather windy across the coasts of Wales, southwest England and the English Channel, gusting to 50-55 miles an hour. Now from this rain we could see 20 to 40 millimetres, possibly a little bit more. As I mentioned, falling on already saturated ground, there is the risk of localised flooding. But for Northern Ireland and Scotland, a drier day for you. There will be some showers. Some of those will be wintry in the hills in Scotland, and we'll see some sleet and snow in the hills of Northern England as well. Through this evening and overnight, though, our low pressure pulls away, taking the rain with it. We have a northerly flow, so it's going to be a cold night, and we'll see some snow showers, most of which will be in the hills in Scotland. And with temperatures this low, we're also looking at frost and ice on untreated surfaces. And that leads us into Thursday, which of course is Christmas Eve. High pressure builds in, but again, more of us will be exposed to that northerly wind. So it's going to feel colder right the way across the board, and it will be pretty windy down the east coast. Here there'll be a plethora of showers, some of those wintry, again mostly in the hills, but we'll also see the odd shower coming in along the west coast as well. Inland, a lot of dry weather, and still the showers in the Highlands are likely to be wintry, mostly on higher ground. Now temperatures 3s, 4s, 6s and 7s, so much colder in southern England than it has been. As we move from Thursday into Friday, so Christmas Eve into Christmas Day, high pressure is still ensconced across our shores. It will be a cold start to the day on Christmas morning. There will also be some frost around. And the weather, well, a lot of dry weather to start with. A fair bit of sunshine for England and Wales, but for Scotland and Northern Ireland and then later western parts, we will see the cloud build ahead of a weather front coming our way, which is also going to introduce some rain, but the wind in the west will change to more of a westerly, so here it won't feel quite as cold. But for Boxing Day into Sunday, the weather remains unsettled, and on Boxing Day, wet and very windy.